I call it dumplings because it can serve as a snack or as a food. You can make this recipe with or without an oven. Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting one. So let's begin. Start by adding instant yeast in a bowl. To that, moving with sugar and warm water. You can substitute the warm water with warm milk. Mix to combine very well. Once that is done, I introduce turmeric. Turmeric is just for color. You can add or skip, but I will advise you watch to the end to see if you'll be adding turmeric or not. Mix to combine very well. Moving with the flour. I am using wheat flour. Always sift the flour before making use of it. Now, I added half of the flour that I'll be using for this recipe. Mix to combine very well. At this point, I noticed that the color wasn't popping, all right? Now, I added another turmeric, a little bit, okay? Mix to combine very well. Now, I am loving it, okay? All right, now I added the remaining flour, okay? Once that is done, I added salt. At this point, you can add any other dry ingredient of your choice. Mix to combine very well. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, I transfer to the work surface. Now I added soft margarine. Continue mixing and kneading till you form a smooth dough. All right, just like this one. The color is popping. I'm loving it. Look at that. Very beautiful. Now I transfer the dough back into the mixing bowl. Cover and keep anywhere warm around my home to prove. 30 minutes later, voila, it has doubled in size, as you can see on the video. I'm loving that beauty. I chop knuckle with the dough, transfer back to the work surface. Dust the work surface with some flour, place the dough, arrange in a way that it will be easier for you to roll. Moving with the rolling pin and start rolling to flatten the dough. A beautiful shout out to you, Prixie, watching from Ogun State, Nigeria. Splendid Royal, watching from Qatar. Jakina from Mumbai, India. Kekeli, watching from Ghana. And Shanti, all the way from Cameroon. Whoops. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? All right, I continue to roll till I come to a flat dough just like this one. Now, I am going to smoothen the four corners of the dough just to get a perfect shape, all right? Once that is done, as a beginner, I will advise you measure before cutting. That's exactly what is going on here, all right? Once that is done, go ahead and cut in your preferred sizes. Okay, remember to check the description box for the list of the ingredients and the measurements. I will also drop the list at the comment section. All right, once I'm done cutting, you should have these cuties. Look at that color. The color is popping. Now, this is the size that I have. Now you are going to stretch it a little bit, okay, to give it another rectangular shape. Repeat the same process with the other ones. Go ahead and arrange in an open tray just like so. You should have these beauties. What a beauty. Now we are going to cover for the second time and allow to prove. 30 minutes later, it has doubled in size again, as you can see. At this point, you can either bake or fry. Okay, we are going to fry. In a deep hot moderate oil, drop these ladies one after the other. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means that you're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. After dropping into the hot oil, allow the ladies to cook for about a minute. Please do not use too much heat, alright? Flip the other side to cook as well. I am going to flip one more time just to make sure that they are properly cooked. Fry according to your preferred texture, or once they are golden brown like so, they are ready. Take the ladies out of the hot oil. Put in a paper towel to drain out the excess oil. And that is basically all for this recipe. Very simple and easy to prepare. Do you love these beautiful ladies? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Oh my word, it turned out so well. Super fluffy, very soft. All right, even a day-old baby can feed from this. Don't mind me, I'm only joking. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. Super yummy. Do you like the color? If you like the color, add turmeric. If you don't like the color, skip turmeric. So I went ahead to spray some mayo just to add more yumminess to it. I told you it can serve as a food or a snack. I take a bite and this is what it looks like. Super yummy, very delicious. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thanks for watching. Bye.